Hi everyone, today we are making simple and effective turmeric face mask. Here's what we all need. Here's what you will need. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chickpea powder and 1 tablespoon of curd. Few drops of lemon juice, it's completely optional. Now let's make it. First mix the turmeric powder and chickpea powder in a bowl. Add curd and stir until you get the smooth paste. If you like it, add few drops of lemon juice. Mask evenly on your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. This mask reduces the dark patches and redness, brightens the skin, fights the acne, moisturizes, exfoliates, combats aging and control oil. To apply turmeric mask, first clean your face thoroughly. Then use your fingers or brush to spread the mask evenly on your face. Avoid the eye area. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, rinse off your face with the lukewarm water. Pat dry your skin and refreshing, glowing skin. Use this mask regularly every week and you can see the instant difference on my hands where I have applied it. My skin feels smoother and looks visibly brighter, a testament to the mask's amazing benefits. Video you found it helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.